Yes, you're looking at this graphic, right, folks? This is a winter storm watch. Welcome to spring. It really includes all areas north of I-94 all the way up to around US 10. And, you know, anytime you have a winter storm watch more than 50 hours in advance of the winter storm, that the likelihood of it happening is pretty good. So stay tuned. This will be likely upgraded. So this is what we're looking at for the Wednesday through Thursday time frame. And very typical for March is you get a sloppy mix of sleet, freezing rain potential, snow, and rain. And that's exactly what's going to occur. And whenever you have that in a transition between these precipitation types, it makes it a very difficult forecast. So yes, the fine tuning is going to have to take place in the coming days, but this is a general idea of what we're looking at. Mostly snow if you're from north of Grand Rapids up to northern and lower Michigan. That sleet, freezing rain will likely set up around I-96 to just north of I-94. And it does look like even north of Kalamazoo, between I-94 and I-96, accumulating snow is likely anywhere north of I-94. So have those shovels ready. This is what we're looking at in terms of the 8-day forecast. Enjoy tomorrow. It looks like one of the warmest days in the next 8 days with just a stray chance of a sprinkle or a stray shower. But then the event begins on Wednesday with that sloppy mix developing, and I wouldn't be surprised many of us will be shoveling across the viewing area come Thursday, maybe Friday morning. So, yeah, welcome to spring.